Hi, I'm Lisa with JDS Industries. Today I'm going to show you how to sublimate metals. These metals come in two sizes, a 2-inch and a 2 3/4 inch. They are two-sided, so they are fully customizable on both sides. They are a great price point, so they'll make a great addition to any awards business or for any event you have going on. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing you're going to need is your metal. Then you're going to need your sublimatable transfer. This was printed on a sawgrass printer with sawgrass ink. And then the last thing you're going to need is a heat conductive pad. And the reason for that is these metals are very dense and heavy, so they're going to need some help heating up. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing I want to do is preheat my heat conductive pad. So I'm going to put this in the press and just heat it up for about the same time that you're actually going to sublimate, which is about 1.5 minutes at 390 degrees. So let's get that started. Okay, while that's heating up, we'll get ready for the next step. So we're going to take your metal, either side. And there is no protective coating on these. They do come in individually wrapped plastic bags, so they're going to keep them nice and protected. So take your metal and you're going to center it onto your transfer. We do have templates available for these on our website. So for this first side, I'm going to tape it down. And then as soon as our pad heats up, we'll go ahead and sublimate it. Okay, our pad is heated up. It's nice and hot. So on the bottom I have my pad. I'm actually going to put another piece of scratch paper on top of it. And what that does is that's going to prevent any of the texture from the pad getting into the metal. Okay, so then on top of the pad I'm going to put my transfer face up with my metal face down. And that's because we don't want too much direct heat on the surface of that where the ink is being laid down. Okay, on top of that, you can put another piece of scratch paper or a Teflon sheet. And we're going to press this again at 390 degrees for 1.5 minutes at a medium to firm pressure. The smaller metal you can do for a little bit less time, about 1.20 minutes. Okay, our metal is done. I'm going to take it out. Be careful, these are very, very hot. Okay, I'm going to let this cool and then I'm going to do the second side. Okay, so this is cooled and we're ready to do the second side. There is a trick to doing the second side. These metals are nice and heavy, so you actually don't need to use heat tape, especially on the second side, because what can happen is you can get a tape mark on the side that you've already sublimated. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this over to the press, and I'm just going to set it on to the piece of paper. And I'm going to center this onto the transfer just like that. I'm not going to attach it because it's not going anywhere because that metal is nice and heavy. So again, we're going to press it for the same amount of time as before. Just double check things, make sure it's still good. Nothing's shifted. And we're ready to go. Again, 390 degrees for 1.5 minutes and a medium to firm pressure. Okay, our second side is done. Let's pull this out. Carefully take this over. I'm going to let this cool and then I'll show you the completed product with both sizes. So here we go, the finished product, fully customized on both sides of the metal. Like I said before, these are a great addition to any awards business or just for any event you might have coming up. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this or any of our other products, please contact us at 800-843-8853 or visit us on the web at jdsindustries.com.